Hi, Danika, nurse practitioner. Today's topic is Takis and gut health. Disclaimer, this is not medical advice, recommendations, or a diagnosis. This does not take the place of a well child check or a sick visit. If you have any questions, please see your healthcare provider or your pediatrician. So over and over the past few weeks in the clinic, I have been seeing a lot of gut disruption amongst our teenagers. The one thing they all have in common is the snack choices that they are making. So a lot of these patients are having like this burning sensation in their stomach. They're having reflux or they're having a cramping sensation. None of them have, a chronic vomiting or diarrhea or anything of that nature. They just have a pain. And I put them on a medication that helps kind of coat their stomach, and they seem to get a lot better, along with diet changes, of course. The number one thing that I ask these patients is, what is your diet like? And all of them have the same snack choice, which is Takis. Y'all, anything that is spicy is, of course, going to kind of mess with the gut lining of your stomach, right? Naturally. And then it can burn all the way through. Like it can just disrupt the lining all the way down. The thing with Takis is it's not just the spice. It is that food coloring that they are just saturated in. It is the junk of a product that they are. There's nothing about them that's food. There is nothing about them that is good for your body. And there's nothing about them that's recognized. Like from the moment you put it in your mouth till the moment it exits your body, it is not recognized by your body at all. And therefore your body reacts to it. It is constantly, as much as you're eating them, it reacts to them. So they make the red Takis and then they make the blue Takis. If you've ever seen the blue Takis, there's no way you can look at it and think, wow, this is gonna be good for me, because the products and what goes into it. So, and I'm not just talking Takis, I'm talking all spicy chips, anything that's bread coated. I'll even go as far as to say Doritos and Cheetos, like the coating that's on them is just not good for your gut and your gut lining. And it is causing so much disruption in our teenagers' stomachs and their health, their overall health. So parents, I encourage you, take a look at the back of one of those packages, see what's on there, see for yourself, see if you can pronounce the names, if you know what they are, see for yourself that the products that are inside there aren't recognized by your body. There's no way it's chemical loaded. But I want y'all to look, and I want you to be really cognizant about how much your child or your teenager is consuming, or maybe you as an adult, because they can be addictive. Maybe how much you're consuming, and see if, cutting back on those will really help your digestion, will really help your gut lining and your stomach lining and help with the symptoms that you're having. So point being, takeaway here is that it's trash that's inside that particular food. It is all chemical laden. It does nothing good for your gut. It does nothing good for your health. And the reality is most of our teenagers are eating way too many of them. So parents, look at the back, look at how much your child's eating, look at what symptoms they're having, see if we can back off of them or cut them out altogether and fix some of the problems that they're having. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to your healthcare provider, and they will be able to guide you more on that.